In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp with Make.com, unlocking the powerful potential for task automation, notifications, AI workflows, Google Sheets synchronization, and even CRM updates. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the knowledge to streamline your processes and save valuable time. To get started with this seamless integration, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to Make.com. Once you're there, locate and click on the option to create a new scenario. This is where the magic begins, as you'll set the foundation for connecting ClickUp with other apps, enabling numerous automation possibilities that enhance productivity. The next step involves adding a ClickUp module to your new scenario. Simply click on the plus sign to add your module. In the search bar, type ClickUp. And from the list of available options, select a module that best suits your needs, such as Watch Tasks or Create Task. Each of these modules offers different functionalities, so choose one that aligns with the goals of your automation workflow. After selecting the ClickUp module, it's time to connect your ClickUp account to Make. To initiate this, click on the Create Connection button. At this point, a ClickUp login pop-up will appear. You will need to authorize this connection to grant Make the required permissions to access your ClickUp data for seamless integration. Rest assured that this process is secure, ensuring that your data remains protected as you set up your automation. Once your connection is authorized, you can begin mapping out the flow of your automation. This typically involves choosing specific triggers and actions based on the module you selected earlier. For example, if you've chosen to watch tasks, you'll set parameters that define which tasks should trigger further actions. On the other hand, creating tasks will allow you to design workflows that automatically generate new tasks in ClickUp when certain conditions in your scenario are met. Next, you'll need to decide on what happens after a task is triggered within ClickUp. This could involve integrating with other applications like Google Sheets, Telegram, or Gmail to automate subsequent actions. For instance, you might want to update a spreadsheet, send a notification through Telegram, or forward an email via Gmail whenever a new task is created or updated. This setup can drastically reduce the need for manual updates and communications, ultimately allowing you to focus on more critical tasks. As you become more familiar with Make.com, you'll discover more creative ways to expand these automations, further enhancing your productivity. By following these straightforward steps, you can leverage the capabilities of ClickUp and Make.com to create a streamlined, efficient workflow that transforms the way you manage tasks and communication. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you automate your tasks effectively. Feel free to explore additional integrations and customize your setup to fit your unique needs.